Hello everyone. Welcome back to Dressytreats. Today, I will show you how to make a biscuit pudding with beautiful layers. You'll need 300 grams of chocolate biscuits, 125 grams butter, 250 grams icing sugar, pink food coloring, 1 tablespoon fresh milk, 1 teaspoon coffee powder. First, make some coffee and allow it to cool. To make the buttercream, beat the butter first. Add icing sugar and beat well. Then add milk. Add some coloring. Cover the tray with a cling wrap. Dip the biscuits in cold coffee and lay them on the tray. Then add a buttercream layer. Again, lay coffee-soaked biscuits in an overlapping manner and add a buttercream layer. Repeat this process until the tray fills up. Finally, sprinkle some grated chocolate. Now cover the pudding and refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours. After refrigerating, your beautifully layered biscuit pudding is ready to serve. I hope that you will try out this recipe, and please do remember to like, subscribe, and comment below.